Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will take you through how you can use Insighto AI agents along with GoHighLevel to make appointments into its calendar. So here we are on the tools section. We have made the integration with GoHighLevel. We will just take you through how it is configured. So we have this existing configuration for the testing. We have enabled three functions here: the find available slots, get earliest appointments, and book appointment, right? So these will be used by the assistant in real time to be able to make the appointments. Next, we go to the configuration screen. Here we have already created one calendar on GoHighLevel. This is our GoHighLevel page. So you can see the same calendar here. We have defined the duration here and given the slots. So we select the same calendar, we provide the invite address and the description of the invite that goes out to the user. We click on finish. Next, we go to the assistant. Um, so this is a simple chatbot. Uh, so here you can see like we have pretty much made a very basic assistant here with a basic prompt, which asks for basic details like the name, appointment date and time, right? And it books the calendar. Another important thing to note here is that we have enabled the conversation and contact sync with GoHighLevel with the same account. So the idea is that whatever the transcript is, along with the contact, it will be created on GoHighLevel as well, right? Once the user chats with this assistant. So we save it, and then we go to the widget section where we can start chatting with the agent. This is the widget that we have created for the same assistant. We open the widget. Okay, so hi, I just say here, hi. So it's asking for my name. Let's say I put it as Neeraj. Email address, I just use another ID. It is asking for my name, phone number. Okay, now it queries the GoHighLevel APIs to fetch the available slots from the API, right? So I'll just pick this 10 a.m. one. Okay, so the appointment has been booked. And if I go here on GoHighLevel now, I should be able to see the appointment that was created there. Yeah, so here you can see this is the appointment that was created. And if I go to the contact section, so I would be able to see the same contact here with all the details that I provided. And also the transcript of the conversation would also be here. Yeah. So start of the chat transcript. So it has the same transcript that was there in the chatbot, right? So it automatically pushes the conversation right into your GoHighLevel. So everything remains within your CRM. And you can see the same contact under the Insighto page also. So yeah, this is the same contact that was there. So I hope you guys find it helpful and let us know in case you have any questions. Thank you so much.